Arlo's awake. Yeah. See? Let's go. He's like, where's my ate? Say, Arlo, we're here. Oh, bless you. Say, Arlo, we're here. It's not a cough, no. It's a sneeze, right? Yeah. It's a sneeze.
Sneeze, not stop.
Sneeze is not cough, no.
My hand.
Hold my hand. We'll wait for him. We'll wait for him.
No, you don't.
No, we'll wait for him. He'll get off the bed and he'll come down here. He's a big boy. Not yet. Just wait. See, he's not crying. So he's fine. Maybe he went back to sleep.
Not back to sleep.
Maybe he's tired.
It's bedtime. It's not bedtime. It's morning.
Wala pa si Arlo. Narinig lang namin umiyak. Baka natulog ulit, guys. Hindi na ako nagmamadaling umakyat doon pag umiiyak siya. Hinihintay ko na lang na bumaba siya para masanay. Where's Arlo? What do you want me to do?
Your hand here.
Put your hand here. Dito na si Arlo, bumababa na.
And
Good morning! Happy boo-boy! Morning, boy. It's done?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. Well done. Did you make a mess? I drink it properly. Hello, you know how to drink it. Ay, nako. You're just making a mess. Your mommy wipe. You right?
Yes.
Yes. Watch your head. Silly boy.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
So, I see you.
Hindi yun Yakult, guys. Milk na lang yun. Kasi naubos na niya yung Yakult niya. Tapos pag humihingi sila ng more, milk yung nilalagay ko. Do you want Stegosaurus too?
Yes.
Is it Stegosaurus?
Yes.
Yeah?
Scissors.
Stegosaurus.
So big.
So big, I know. This one, what's this one?
Oh no. So wet.
This one.
What did it up?
Triceratops. And this one?
Scissors.
Stegosaurus. Okay. Hindi naman talaga T-Rex to, guys. Tinatawag lang naming T-Rex kasi medyo similar yung itsura, pero hindi yan T-Rex.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Oh, yucky nose. White nose. Let me see. Clean nose. Hold on. All clean.
Scissors.
Stegosaurus. Is that Stegosaurus, Alan? You okay, boy? Oh my gosh, it is Stegosaurus.
Mommy. No.
Ganito yung itsura ng Stegosaurus. Well done, Arlo.
Scissors.
Stegosaurus.
Scissors.
Triceratops, yes.
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
So big.
So big, I know. And scary.
Baby. This one team.
Look. Look, Triceratops is fighting. Look at Triceratops. Fight. Oh! Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite dinosaur?
What's it up?
Triceratops? I think it's T-Rex.
T-Rex.
T-Rex? Ah, all of them.
And then.
Okay. Ay! 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 You coughing?
Yes.
Yes. You want medicine?
No.
No.
The,
You don't like medicine?
yeah.
Yan that. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Siya na talaga sinuot niya yung pajamas na binili namin kahapon, guys. Si Dan yung nagsuot sa kanya eh. Buboy naman. Di makahintay yarn?
See your eyes.
Okay, we will go see. Show us. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Everyone's here, guys. Do you want to tell them who these are?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's Horsey.
Yes. Horsey. Sige.
Mickey Mouse.
Yep.
Beck.
Bear. Yep.
It's so fire.
Aww.
What's that?
That is Triceratops.
Take this one.
Yep.
What's this one?
Alien.
And what's this one?
You tell me.
Paw paper. What's this one? Rabbit.
Yep.
What's this one? Seal.
Mm-hmm.
What's this one? Mermaid.
Yes.
What's this one? Funny.
Fergie.
What's this one? Rabbit. What's this one? I'll jump, Mama. I'll jump,
You wanna jump?
Yes.
Okay.
Jump.
Jump. Ready, steady, jump. Oh my gosh, Arlo. Silly boy. Do you like what Ate did?
Let's jump too.
You jumped on it. Good job, Ate.
Let's sit.
Oh my gosh, galing yan lahat sa taas. You can't reach it. Yeah, no. I did that on purpose. Do you want to turn the lights on? Akala ko, yung plant, I can't reach it. Kasi tingnan nyo yung ginawa niya sa plant namin. Oh. Diba? Batang bail kasi yan. So, nilayo ko ng very, very light. Pinakamalayo. Pero abot niya pa rin. Careful there, Arlo, ha? Be careful, please. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, of course he can play too. It's hard. Aww. Yeah, so Arlo doesn't step on hard ones. Yeah, good job, Ate. Oh, so, yeah, just soft teddies. Thank you, Ate. More jump. Ready, steady, jump! Oh, wow! You're gonna help me put this back upstairs later, okay? Later, after you play. Oh, you wanna put it back now? Yeah, not yet. Okay, we'll stay here. Careful, Ala, please. Okay. Oops. I am 18 weeks pregnant today. 18 weeks. Belly's getting bigger and bigger. Oi. It's okay, it's okay. He just wants to put hamster in here too. Yeah. Maingay kasi may naghuhugas ng pinggan. See? Sus, ang ganda na lang. Pa-OOTD niya today. Malamig guys, pero naka-on kasi yung heater namin sa loob. So, okay lang yung aming mga outfitan. Eh, gusto niya suotin. Siya yung pumili. Tapos siya din yung pumili na accessories ng kanyang buhok. Galing, di ba? Talong. It's a talong. I know you don't like it. It's for me and Arlo. And I'll cook eggs for you, okay? Hey, boy! Oh, my buboy being funny again. Are you being funny, mabuboy lang? Isang itlog lang to, guys, kasi hinati ko yung talong. Laki kasi ng talong. Talong! Can I see your kilikili, please?
No.
I just want to check if it's clean. Oh my God! Ah, so clean. It smells so good. Love it. Huh?
I want me to kilikili yung ano mo lang this one.
You want to go up there? Alak, ate. He wants to go. I'll need to turn it off. Because he will make a mess, you know already. Let him go. Okay, do you want to go up here?
He can't go up here.
He can. Yeah, he can now. Because I turned it off. Right here. Okay, go.
Oh, it's being a funny boy. Oh no, yucky nose lang. Yucky nose lang mo lang. Ew.
Let's wipe nose. Careful there, boy. Mama, clean nose. Good boy.
Dustin.
Disgusting.
Dustin, I'm making slime.
You're making slime?
Yeah.
Careful, Arlo. Here, let me just move this here.
I'm making soap slime.
Careful, ha? Ganyan ginagawa niya sa headband. Ang cute-cute, diba?
I'm making a white.
You're
I'm
making...
making white slime.
Itlog muna lutuin ko, tapos ito yung susunod ko. Be careful, please, kids.
Oh, what's this?
Santa.
Make this
You're reading Arlo's story?
a tree. What's that? I want that.
What is that, Arlo?
Mommy, I want that.
It's a kite.
Kite.
A kite.
Mama, I want that.
Okay.
Thank you.
When we go back to the Philippines, maybe we can try and fly a kite.
I just can't do it.
You can't do it? We'll ask Tito's help.
I just fly away.
It just flies away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
Mag-declutter tayo, guys, ng mga damit ng mga
I want
kids.
that.
Ooh, a bowl. Good
White
boy.
rock. It's white over red.
Yeah.
It's white over red. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, anymore.
So, lagi ako magbibigay. It's not real, I know. Oh, hey, you're actually moving.
I can't try it on. It's boring.
Natakot ulit.
It's boring.
Ala, it's just a mask. Yeah, it's not real. What's that? Finger paint. Yay. Me too. You too? Yeah. So, lagi ako nagdi-declutter. Kapag nagtutupi, naglalagay dito, tapos napapansin ko, maliit na sa kanila, dire-diretso ko na sa mga box. So, ngayon, hindi ko siya nalalagay sa donation namin na pile, kasi may donation na ako na pile eh. Kasi nga, we're keeping the clothes, guys, for this month. Yay! I'll start here. Kasi every time nagtutupi ako, na kukulangan na ako ng space. Kasi yung mga pajamas nila for winter, nilalagay ko na dito. Hindi na siya nandun sa closet nila. Ito kasi yung pinaka-easy access namin dito. Nag-change si Arlo. We can't get rid of it yet. Hindi pa kami makamove on completely sa closet talaga nila. Because we will still be using this. We have another baby coming. Pero eventually, I will move Isla's clothes in that closet kung nasaan talaga yung room niya. Kasi nandun na naman yung mga dresses niya, yung mga nakahang, nandun na. Yung mga ito lang, yung mga pang araw-araw at saka yung mga hindi nakahang nandito pa. So, combination to ng clothes ni Arlo at saka ni Isla. The top part, walang clothes. Ganito talaga ang aking vlog, maingay because we have 2 kids. Oh my gosh, can you imagine kung gano'n na kaingay yung vlog ko kapag 3 na sila? Yung Oy! Pero mas prefer ko kasi ito guys kaysa sa tahimik nga yung vlog ko pero naka-iPad sila, alam mo yun. So mas okay na to sa akin, bahala. This is my life. Yeah. Kasi tatahimik yan sila, uupo yan sa gilid kapag binigyan mo ng iPad, hindi ko nga binibigyan. Oh, baby girl can have that. We need to organize our gender reveal soon. Huh? Yeah, baby girl can use this. So yeah, it has socks built in, yes.
Yes, you can.
That's okay. Yeah, half like a rabbit.
That's a rabbit. It's full.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Alright, so
It's also a mass owl.
lahat ng ganito,
It's
i-declutter ko na.
very soft.
Good morning.
Amani. Good morning. Good morning. Bam bam morning. Amani. Amani.
Good morning. Kiss mommy. Mwah! Oh no! Oh! Yeah! My cat! Ah, sweetie pies. You're my sweetie pie. Love you. Oh! Maglakad ko ng boy. Ay, sweetie pie. Nansan niya akong buboy. Ay, oh! My kids. Are you guys gonna help me? Another one? You can read it to Alo. Yeah, practice, okay? So when the baby comes, you can read to the baby. Yeah? Yeah. So now you read to Alo.
What color is this?
What color is that Alo?
Yellow.
Yellow. You're teaching Alo.
Orange.
Orange.
So this red.
Yay!
Red.
Red. Good colors,
This is
Alo.
a blue sheep. Blue sheep.
Blue sheep.
This is too hard.
Too hard?
Yeah, it's just you did a big test. Wait.
Watch your head.
Mama.
What's there? Go get it.
What?
Truck. Ayla, can you come here, baby, for a sec? I just want to see if this will fit you still. Too short? We'll give this to baby. Okay.
I'm running that kind of baby. I see the bum. Okay, say that.
Oh, can you have Alo, please? He wants to get something. I think there's a truck there.
Oh yeah, it's a book.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you reach?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Oh! What do you say to ate? Thank you, baby. Alright. Okay, excuse me. Excuse me, boy. You play here. You play behind mama. Alright, na-segregate ko na guys. Ito na yung maliliit na sa kanila. Well, yung iba kasya pa, kaya lang hindi na kasi appropriate sa weather. And alam ko kapag nag-summer na, maliit na sa kanila. And sinegregate ko na din siya ng maayos. So, ito pang babae. Dami talagang damit ni Ayla, no? Puno na to. So, pwede na natin itong i-put away. Pang lalaki, unisex. So, pag nalaman natin yung gender, we can get rid of one box. Alam mo yun? Para mas madali na lang tayong mag-declutter next time.
Oh, that's for baby.
It's for the baby? Oh, thank you. You're decluttering your toys for the baby? Oh, that's so sweet. Dito na tayo sa kwarto ng kids. So, nung nagdi-declutter ako noon, yung ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko sila sa mga boxes dito, tapos nilalagay ko sa baba ng mga nakahang na clothes ni Ayla. Pero I wasn't keeping in mind the gender. Halo-halo to. So, i-separate ko lang sila para mapuno yung ibang box. So, yung pangbabae natin, guys, padalawang box na tayo sa pangbabae. So, yung mga ganito, unisex. Tapos, yung mga dress, ilagay ko dun sa box. Ate, can you open the door and grab the boxes there outside, please?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah, just there. Yeah, open. Sige. Can you open? Yeah, there. And can you get those boxes for me? Just bring it here. Thank you. So we can fill it up. Meron na akong nalagay na doon na puno na. Yay, thank you. Are they empty? Yung mga dresses. Ang dami-dami na kay Ayla. Yes, please. Thanks, baby.
It's so heavy.
I know. Can you get the brown one, please? Ito yung panglalaki. Malapit na puno yung kay Arlo. So, punuin na natin para we can move on to the other box. So, iniiba-iba ko yung kulay para hindi tayo mahirapan. Yung brown is yung unisex. Tapos, yung gray is panglalaki. Yung stripes, yung pambabae. Get the stripes one, ate. The other box, ate. Yeah, that one. Yes. Yeah, thank you, baby. Well done, baby. Thanks, ate. Catch. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh.
I got it.
Thank you. Hi, boy. You helping mama, boy? You sitting down?
Mommy, this.
Sit down. Yeah, that's empty. We can use that for the next. Ay, mapupuno na tong sayo, ate.
What's this?
Yay!
Oh, I got it right here.
Ang daming damit, guys, na hindi nakasya sa kanila. Pero isang beses lang nagamit.
I did it.
Dalawang
I
beses
did
lang
it, Mama.
nagamit.
Mommy, why you put that in there?
Huh? These are too small for you, so we can save it for the baby.
Mom.
Ah, itong mga blanket. Alright.
Oh, I did the blanket.
So that stays there.
I did the blanket.
Yeah, ito mga clothes ata to, yes.
I can't get my blanket.
Alright, unisex. Alright, there's more here. Girls.
Oh, I take you here.
You okay, boy? Ay, ito yung mga kasya pa.
Sit here.
Parang itong mga
Sit
to,
here.
malalaki pa, guys.
Hello, we can lay down.
Ito yung bigay nila Kat, nila Manay, na malalaki pa kay Ayla. So, nandito pa.
Hello.
So, huwag kayong magtaka kung kapag nagsha-shopping ako ng mga damit ng mga bata, wala na talaga mostly for Ayla. Because she has a lot, guys. She has way more than enough. Din! Nakapag-bath na yung mga bata. Nakashower na din si Mami. And binigyan ko na sila ng dinner, guys, kasi humihingi na ng pagkain. Maaga pa. 6:03 pa lang. Oh, well done, ate! Si ate, same yung food except for the veggies. Ayaw niya ng veggies. Si Arlo lang. Oh, what? Do you want what? A milk?
I want milk.
Yes, alright. Stay there. Keep eating. I'll get your milk. Good eating. You want milk too, ate?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, well done, baby. Do you want to try the fish?
No,
Fish and chips too, eh? My fish, chips, and veggies. Okay.
Hello. It's bedtime still.
Oh, yeah, it's getting dark.
Why getting dog?
That's just how it works, baby.
Now it's bedtime.
It's bedtime now.
Yeah.
Rolled over and
It's
one
bedtime.
fell out. You okay, boy?
I'm making bubble.
Are you?
From where? From where? I'm making bubbles.
You're making bubbles too? Oh my gosh,
I'm making big one.
Okay. Alright, ngayon kay Dan naman, guys. He's having the schnitzel. Kasi diba last week, merong beef at saka chicken. Niluto ko una yung beef. Merong chicken na tira. So he wants to eat the chicken tonight. This is gravy. Hinihintay ko lang na mag-text siya. Saka ko lutuin yung kanyang chicken. Wala pa, hindi pa nagte-text eh. Yung gravy lutuin ko na, tapos maya initin ko na lang. He will have corn as well. Corn at saka asparagus sa side. Tapos yung akin is sardinas with egg. Hindi pa nagte-text si daddy. Anong oras na? 6 something na, guys. Last appointment niya 5:30 eh. And who knows hanggang kailan yun matatapos. Alright, okay na to. Ang bilis lang. Initin natin yan mamaya. Yung corn nasa microwave na. Tapos ihuli ko kasi yung asparagus after na nung ano niya, schnitzel niya. So mamaya pa. Lutuin ko na lang yung aking sardinas. Yung dinner ni Dan. Gusto niya lagyan ng cheese. And then gravy.
Sorry, princess.
Mainit na gravy.
Huh? My gravy?
Yes, always.
Thank you, Mom.
Alright. Bon appetit to you.